Okay, let's talk you through this system installation. What we've installed into this Ford Transit Custom is window cleaning equipment, pressure washing equipment and gutter vac equipment. So we'll start off with the window cleaning side of things. We've got a 750 litre 2-man pure water tank system, and that's coming with our 4-stage auto fill and flush filtration system. There's a TDS meter there which the operator can use to test the quality of his water. We've then got 2 water pumps. Those water pumps are being controlled by their own controllers. We've then got 2 electric stainless steel hose reels. This one's been mounted on a raised reel platform just to free up a little bit of room underneath there. And then we've mounted this one over on the right on top of this generator. Each of those reels holds 100 meters of hose, comes with a safety speed controller, and these speed controllers allow us to adjust the speed of the reels. They come with an anti-snag feature. They help prevent as much overspooling compared to just a standard reel. And then we've also put on these hose roller guides with the hose stopper just to help the operator pull the hose off and to guide it back on neatly. We've installed 2 storage tubes up on the roof of the van, so they'll hold a water-fed pole or the actual lances for the high pressure washer. And the reason for us installing a JCB generator is because the customers selected a gutter vac and they want to be able to use that or operate it independently, so they can power it with the generator. We just have a quick look in the side door here. So we've filled this van as much as possible, but what we've got at the back here is a Skyvac gutter vac. We've then got a Honda powered pressure washer, and that's coming with a gearbox and an interpump, so that can be lifted in and out. We've then got the hose and tool bag for the Skyvac. We've got additional high pressure hose, and then we've also provided a plastic surface cleaner along with an 8-inch stainless steel telescopic surface cleaner, and that's designed to do roof cleaning. So the customer's more than likely not going to take all the equipment out at once. He'll be able to pick and choose what he's going to be using for that day, and utilise this side door to store that equipment. And then everything at the back of the van is utilised during the actual operation or the cleaning side of things. So if you're interested in a similar commercial cleaning van, maybe one that's offering window cleaning or pressure washing, if you're looking to offer multiple services from a vehicle, certainly give the team here a call at Xline Systems. We'll happily talk you through the options, we'll listen to your requirements, we'll put together a quote for you, and we'll talk about the actual features and benefits of what you'll receive from us. So yeah, thanks very much for your interest. Bye.